Assalamu alaikum everyone, once again I'm Sadia Gondal and I'm representing from the platform of Javed Publishers. Today we will be doing Kids English Grade 4 chapter number 8 and the topic is a fighter pilot. So let's start. On page number 56 now we will be completing our writing skills and the question we would be doing is write a narrative paragraph using pronouns on the following topics. Now let's discuss first what is a narrative paragraph. A narrative paragraph tells about an event and it always has an introduction, ending and middle to it. ठीक है, तो जब भी आप किसी वाक़े को बता रहे होते हैं तो आप उसको narrative paragraph कहते हैं. आपके पास 3 topics हैं, a memorable journey, life of Quaid-e-Azam and museum. We would be writing on life of Quaid-e-Azam. So let's start. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born on 25th December 1876 in Karachi. His father was a very famous Muslim trader. Jinnah studied at Bombay University. He then started practicing in Bombay. He was a member of Indian National Congress. His insistence on the issue that Pakistan should be a separate state got a lot of popularity. And then in the partition of India and formation of state of Pakistan, a new state, that is Pakistan, was formed on 14th August 1947. This all became possible because of the efforts of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah worked a lot on using peace between Muslims, Hindus and Sikhs. And he talked about a new state of Pakistan in which Muslims can become more safe. Jinnah became the first Governor General of Pakistan, but he died of tuberculosis on 11 September 1948. And the last activity on page number 56 is paste some pictures of famous female personalities, and some of the examples that you can give to your students are Malala Yousafzai, Benazir Bhutto, Asma Jahangir. These all names are big names when you talk about famous female personalities. Dear teachers and students, आज के लेसन से हमें ये सबक मिलता है कि तालीम मेल और फीमेल, मर्द और औरत दोनों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है और तालीम से ही हम अपना मुस्तकबिल रोशन कर सकते हैं. ना सिर्फ मुस्तकबिल रोशन कर सकते हैं बल्कि इस दुनिया में हम जो भी चीज़ पाना चाहते हैं, हमारी जो भी ख्वाहिश है, वो सिर्फ अच्छी तालीम लेकर मुमकिन हो सकती है. थैंक यू एवरीवन. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा बोलती किताबों के साथ.